Well, hey everybody, it's Alicia McPeak here. Welcome to my channel. So I'm going to share with you guys today the charcuterie board we made for our St. Patrick's Day celebration that you're going to see later today. This was a lot of fun, and I just love making charcuterie boards, so stick around. So the first thing I did was go to the grocery store and buy everything I could find that was green. Sugar snap peas, celery, cucumbers, zucchini, broccoli, green apples, green grapes, green pepper, every fruit and vegetable that I could find green. And then I also got Irish cheese and roast beef, 3 different kinds of crackers. And I just started with placing my shamrocks that were made out of cheese. I just cut those heart shapes. Actually, Eric cut those heart shapes, and I just arranged them. And then I did a little tiny shamrock with the bottom of the green pepper. I also have, for desserts there, I've got the green macaroons. The green and brown balls are called arrows. They're Irish, Scottish, and you get them at our local H-E-B, plus 2 different kinds of pretzels, white chocolate pretzels, and then pretzel rods that were regular dark chocolate, plus chicken salad, and then a goat cheese spread, caramel sauce. It was just beautiful. And I just arranged everything kind of in swirls, and then any blank spaces, I would put the grapes or the pistachios to fill them in and make things stand out more. And then we just enjoyed it. It was just a beautiful way to have a nice celebration. Oh yeah, the white Kit Kats. See the white Kit Kats there? We have those there. We had those too. So I went with white and green and then beiges, and I just tried to mostly keep it those colors all together. So anyway, guys, we're really glad you're here celebrating with us. So I hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.